Good morning, class. I am Ma'am Angeline Claire Caubang, or you can call me Ma'am Angges. So, before tayo mag-start ng lesson, Thea, can you lead the prayer? Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you, Miss Thea. So, sino po ang secretary natin sa klase? Yes, Miss Ara. Can you give me the present and absent ngayong araw? So, before tayo mag-start ng lesson, meron akong hinandang short activity lang before tayo mag-discuss ng topic natin for the day. So, yung game na gagawin natin is um, Pass the Beauty. So, sa game na to, pipili kayo ng 5 representative each group. So, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang group. Each group merong 5 representative, then pipili sila ng leader. So, ang gagawin natin sa larong ito is bubunot yung leader nyo ng paper, which is yung 1 or 2, yung naka-include dun sa 1 or 2 skincare product or makeup product. So, kung nabunot ng group 1 ay makeup product, meron dong mga jumbled words, then bubuuin ng leader and ipapasa hanggang dulo. Tapos yung nasa dulo, pupunta sa harapan, then sasabihin yung final word na nabuo. So, gets po ba? So, pumili na po kayo ng leader nyo and 5 representative lang po each group. So, syempre, kung sino yung unang makakatapos ng 5 jumbled words na pagpapapasahan nyo, ay merong prize po na matatanggap sa akin. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 2 minutes para pumili ng representative nyo. So, ayan. So, ito na po yung game. Ready, get, set, go. So, yun. Ang winner natin ay ang Group 1. So, base sa game na ginawa natin, ano nga ba ang topic natin for today? Yes, Mr. Castillo. Very good. Ang topic natin for today is all about beauty care. So, before ako mag-start ng discussion, meron akong i-share na video sa inyo para mas maunawaan nyo kung ano yung beauty care. Wait lang guys ha, i-share screen ko na.
Hello. A lot of people wonder what my skincare routine is because they say that I have good skin, which is such a compliment, thank you. So let's get unready.
The first thing I do is obviously take off my makeup. I was wearing lashes this day and ripping them off felt so nice. Oh, and also make sure to always wash your hands before you start. Then I go in with the micellar water from Garnier. I've tried other makeup removers and cleansing balms, but nothing else takes off my waterproof mascara as thoroughly as this does. I let my eyes soak in the cotton for a while rather than rubbing it around just because it can be harsh on the skin and potentially create wrinkles. I just let the remover marinate on my eyes and it wipes off my makeup so easily. Don't forget to get that neck. I do this until the cotton round comes out not as dirty as the first. Next, I go in with a cleanser. This one is the White Seed Exfoliating Cleansing Foam from the Face Shop, and I just use a pea-sized amount. Make sure you lather it up in your hands first so that the product gets equally distributed. I like this cleanser because it's gentle and not too drying. Next, I go in with a second cleanser, which is a new step for me because I usually just use one, but I noticed that cleansing twice really ensures that all the debris from my face is gone. I've been using the Soy Face Cleanser from Fresh for years and it cleans my skin really well. After washing my face, I wipe off the excess water so that the products I'm putting on won't be diluted or drip off.
Ayan, okay,
This toner is one of my holy grails. It's the Aqua
video.
Licorice pH Balancing Cleanser.
So, based nga din sa video, ang topic natin for today is beauty care. So, what is beauty care? Yes, Miss Justine. All right, very good. So, beauty care involves practices and routines aims aims to maintain and enhance the health, appearance, and well-being of the skin, hair, and overall physical activity. So, pag sinabi nating beauty care, hindi lang siya basta sa face natin, hindi lang siya basta mag-apply tayo ng mga products sa mukha. Siyempre, overall physical appearance natin yung aalagaan dito. Hindi lang basta mag-makeup, hindi lang basta maghihilamos. Kasama rin yung physical activity and also yung skin, buong skin natin sa katawan. So, the first, meron tayong 7 components ng beauty care at isa na doon ay ang skincare. So, what is skincare? Pakibasa nga po. Yes, Miss Akina. Okay, thank you, Miss Akina. So, skincare includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and protection from environment factors. Katulad nung napanood natin kanina sa video, skincare, yung ginagawa ng babae is nag-apply siya ng skincare product. Then, tawag dito, cleansing muna. Diba, nakikita niyo parang sinasabunan niya yung mukha niya. Then, hihilamusan niya. Then, mag-apply pa siya ng iba't ibang product like yung for moisturizing or kapag lalabas naman tayo, syempre naglalagay tayo ng sunscreen para hindi masunog yung skin natin or yung face natin. Katulad nga dyan kasi protection from environmental factors. So, next naman po natin, kasunod ng skincare ay ang hair care. So, what is hair care? Pakibasa nga po. Yes, Mr. Rich. So, hair care daw po includes washing, conditioning, trimming, and other treatments tailored to individual hair types. So, pag sinabi nating hair care, hindi lang siya basta nagsashampoo ka. May iba't ibang klase ng hair care. Katulad na lang ng pagugupit natin ng buhok kasi sometimes kapag super haba na, hindi na natin napapansin, marami na tayong split ends. And also, kapag tawag dito, yung mga white hairs natin, syempre dapat kailangan natin yung kulayan and kailangan din natin ng treatment, hindi lang basta babasain natin yung buhok, shampooin. Syempre dapat kailangan din natin alagaan para hindi tayo magkaroon ng mga balakubak or hindi umalsa yung hair natin. So, next naman po natin is nail care. Pakibasa nga po ang nail care. Yes, Miss Divine. Yes. So, thank you, Miss Divine. Nail care daw involves regular trimming, shaping, and maintaining the cleanliness of health of the nails. So, kapag sinabing nail care, hindi lang siya basta mag-nail cutter ka. May iba't ibang products tayo na ginagamit sa nails natin, including, alam niyo yung parang color pink? Para pang-alis yun ng dirt sa nails natin. Also, acetone, ganyan. And kung gusto natin mas maging presentable yung nails natin, syempre maglalagay tayo ng mga cuticles, ganyan, different colors na gusto nyo or design. So, pag sabi natin nail care, dapat, syempre, yung nails yung isa sa tinitignan ng mga tao kung malinis ka ba sa katawan. Kasi, pag nakita nilang maraming nakasiksik dyan na parang libag-libag, syempre isipin nila, ay, ang dugit mo ng mga tao. So, kailangan talaga regular trimming sa nails natin. And also, if gusto nyo naman na pahabain, syempre, i-maintain pa rin natin na walang nakasiksik na kung ano-anong dumi sa mga nails natin. So, next naman natin is makeup application. Pakibasa nga po. Yes, Miss Ershi. Thank you, Miss Ershi. So, sabi dito, skillful use of cosmetics to enhance facial features, achieve desired looks, and express individual creativity. Pag sinabi nating makeup application, ano pong pumapasok sa isip niyo? Yes, Miss Michelle. Very good. Pag sinabi natin makeup application, hindi lang siya basta maglalagay ka lang ng kung ano-ano sa mukha mo. Siyempre, doon natin na-express yung sarili natin kung paano tayo magiging confident. And also, di ba kapag nag-apply nga tayo ng makeup, parang ito na rin yung nagsisilbing pang takip natin sa mga flaws na gusto nating takpan kasi nga yun yung parang insecurity natin. Then also ito rin yung parang sabi dito creativity or individual creativity. Katulad ng mga nakikita natin like sa social media, sa TikTok, like gumagamit sila ng makeup to express their creativity. Katulad na lang ng pag-design sa face nila, paglalagay ng kung ano-anong colorete sa mukha. So, next is nutrition and hydration. Pakibasa nga po. Yes, Mr. Teo. Okay, very good. So, nutrition and hydration po, maintaining a balance and healthy diet and negative fluid levels in the body to support bodily function for overall well-being. So, in-expect nyo ba na kasama yung nutrition and hydration sa beauty care? Yes, Miss Tablan. Yes, very good. Kasi nga, syempre kapag unhealthy yung mga kinakain natin and hindi tayo masyadong umiinom ng tubig, yung itsura natin parang nagiging haggard siya. So, kasama siya sa step ng beauty care. Kasi nga kapag, di ba, may mga professional din na nag-a-advise na dapat kumakain tayo ng mga vegetables, fruits, and uminom tayo ng 8 to 12 glasses of water a day kasi nga nakakatulong yun para ma-maintain yung healthy skin natin. So, next is physical activity. Pakibasa nga po. Yes, Miss Bianca. Yan, very good. Thank you, Miss Bianca. So, physical activity, sabi dito, practices and routines aim to maintaining and enhancing the health, appearance, and well-being of the skin, hair, and overall physical figure. So, sa physical activity, hindi lang siya basta yung tawag dito, para sa pagpapaganda ng katawan. Nakakatulong din siya, sabi raw, based sa na-research ko din, sabi nila is, nakakatulong din yung paggawa ng physical activities para mas maging maganda daw yung, mas maging healthy daw yung skin natin and also nakakabigay rin siya ng glow sa physical appearance natin. So, last is rest and stress management. Pakibasa nga po. Yes, Miss Arabel. Okay, so rest and stress management involve practices ensuring sleep, relaxation, and effective coping with stress. So, syempre, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung sa nutrition and hydration, parang similar lang din siya dito kasi nga, kapag parang wala ka ring rest, di ba? Kapag pansin nyo, kapag super stress ng tao, mahahalata nyo sa mukha nila kasi nga, parang nag-break out sila and also yung eye bags nila, lumalaki, ganyan-ganyan. So, mahalaga yung rest and stress management to maintain the healthy skin din and also, syempre para makita natin na glowing pa rin yung skin natin, dapat may enough sleep pa rin tayo and dapat may time pa rin tayo, may balance, may time pa rin tayo to rest and also para ma-feel natin na glowing pa rin tayo. So, based sa natakal natin today, ano-ano nga po ulit ang 7 components ng beauty care? Yes, Miss Alexa. Very good. The 7 components of beauty care is skin care, hair care, nail care, makeup application, nutrition and hydration, physical activity, and rest and stress management. So, may natutunan naman po tayo sa diniscuss natin ngayon. Okay, thank you class. So, that's all po for our discussion for today. Pero bago yan, syempre, may question ba kayo? Wala po. So, ako naman ang may question sa inyo. So, in what ways do you believe beauty care practices influence overall well-being and self-confidence? How can the knowledge gained in this lesson help you make more informed choices regarding your beauty care routine? Yes, Mr. Vincent. Alright, very good. So, yung mga nabanggit natin nga na components ng beauty care is makakatulong nga sa atin upang mas mapabuti yung skin natin. Hindi lang basta yung um, mag-a-apply ka ng like maliligo ka or mag-a-apply ka ng makeup. Hindi lang basta ganun. Siyempre, if susundin natin lahat ng 7 components, ma-achieve natin yung healthy and glowing skin na katulad ng mga ibang celebrities dyan, diba? So, I have another question pa. Reflecting on the lesson, how do you think you can improve or modify your current beauty care routine? Are there any new techniques or tips you plan to incorporate? Anyone with a class? Yes, Miss Rose. Okay, very good. So, yung mga natutunan daw niya is i-apply niya to her new um, morning routine. Kasi nga, di ba, pag may morning and night routine tayo, may ginagawa tayo na naka-include dito sa beauty care natin. So, yung 7 components na to, pwede natin siyang i-include sa morning and night routine natin, katulad na lang ng paghihilamos, pag may makeup, or pagkain ng mga sustansyang pagkain before tayo pumunta sa school or gumawa ng physical activity, something like that. So, before tayo mag-end, meron muna tayong short quiz lang naman para malaman ko kung talagang natutunan niyo tong lesson na to. So, can you get 1/4 sheet of paper po? Answer only lang. So, i-dictate ko na lang kung ano yung sasagutan nyo. Then, i-write nyo sa paper. So, number 1. Blank refers to bodily movement that engage muscles and require energy expenditure. Regular physical activity contributes to overall health, including improved circulation, which can positively impact skin health. Number 2. Blank and blank involve maintaining balance and healthy diet to provide essential nutrients for overall well-being. Number 4. Blank involves the skillful use of cosmetics to enhance facial features, achieve desired looks, and express individual creativity. Number 5. Blank involves practices and products aimed to maintaining the health, cleanliness, and appearance of the hair. Number 6. Blank refers to the range of practices and routines designed to maintain and enhance the health and appearance of the skin. Number 7. Blank involves practices and routines aimed to maintaining and enhancing the health, appearance, and well-being of the skin, hair, and overall physical features. Number 9 and 10. Blank and blank involve practices aimed at ensuring adequate sleep, relaxation, and effective coping with stress. So, pass the paper na po, forward, ako na mag-check niyan. So, i-announce ko na lang po tomorrow kung sino yung highest natin sa quiz. So, if wala na pong questions for today's discussion, thank you so much guys for listening. I hope may natutunan kayo sa discuss ni Ma'am Angge today. So, thank you guys. Bye-bye!